This is real, authentic Jamaican curry chicken. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and thanks for watching. What I have here, guys, is some chicken, chopped chicken right here. I'll be making some curry chicken, and this is my blended seasonings. So I'm gonna add this in my chicken. My chicken is already washed, and I have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning right in here. Throw that on my chicken also. I still like to put some curry on my chicken, so this is a tablespoon of Beta curry, and this is some black pepper, salt, and just a little bit of pinch of smoked paprika also. And these are all my carrots and my bell peppers and more scallion and onions and all the works. So I'm going in with that. So now I'm gonna put on some gloves and rub this up. So guys, you want to rub this up, rub it all over your meat. Don't worry, in the description box below I will have all my recipes and my measurement. And my measurement will going to be estimate, because as a Jamaican we normally just throw our season, we don't normally measure it, but I can estimate something and let you guys know. Okay, I do not put a lot of curry. Like I said, I only put 1 tablespoon, because when I'm going to put the curry in the pot, I'm going to burn it with the garlic and everything. So you will see, smells very good, guys. Do it with love. Look at that. Rub up your meat with love. Show some love. Cook with all that spice and all that goodness. Smells delicious, guys. This is Jamaican style curry chicken. And I'm going to put this in the fridge, and I'm going to show you how I cook it. So this is my curry now, guys, and right here is my pot. Now I'm going to, my pot is being preheated, and now I'm going to add all of this in and let it stay there for some time. And I'm also going to go in with some curry powder now. So I'm going to burn the curry into the oil. So like about a tablespoon. And you want to keep doing like this. You see that nice curry look over here? That's what you want. See? That's what you want, guys. See? Just like that. See? That's the beautiful curry look when you burn your curry in your oil. So, like this is ready. I am going to put in my chicken now. So remember, this is authentic Jamaican curry. Put in all this curry right in here. And once you put your curry in now, your chicken in, you want to give it a stir. Now for me, when I finish giving my curry a stir, I do not put water. I do not want no water in my chicken as yet. Cover him up and let him sweat his own water. I want nice curry chicken and I want watery curry chicken. I do not put water at this moment. And I'm going to show you why. See, you see that nice curry look? That's what you want. So I'm going to finish stirring this up, and I'm going to cover him down, and I'm going to show you why I don't put water. So I am going to open the pot, and I'm going to show you guys. Now look at that curry. Beautiful color. Now I did not go behind off camera and throw water in my curry. This is the reason why I said do not put water in your curry when you just put it in the pot. It sweats a whole lot of water once you close him down. Don't, guys. You don't want to boil your curry chicken. You want to nice cook it down, okay? So do not put water, and I am not lying to you. This is it. But look at that. Look at that lovely color. Lovely curry chicken. See what I'm talking about? See that? Look at that. All that curry look. All that curry. Pretty curry. Smell nice to see. And it tastes nice too. So guys, you should try this. Alright? And do not again. So now you can have it like this. You can have it with some white rice. You can have it with boiled dumpling. You can have it with rice and peas. See? Take a good look at that, guys. This is what we have. Okay? From my kitchen straight on your table. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to thumbs up, share, like, and everything. Thank you for watching.